Hi, good afternoon.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
May I know your full name, please?
My full name is Vikrant Sharma.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name Vikrant.
In the speaking test, in part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions related to telephone.
Okay.
Shall we start?
Yes.
How often do you make telephone calls?
Well, I usually don't make so much phone calls because I prefer texting over calling. But if I have to make calls to my friends with whom I have not talked very much, so at that time I do make the calls. And apart from that, as I'm working person, I do have to make frequent calls related to my work. So at that time, I use my telephone.
With whom you spend most of your time on telephone calls?
As I told you before, that I am working person, so I have to spend most of the time with my teammates, with whom I have to discuss all the details related to the project.
When do you think you'll make a next telephone call?
I think that after giving this interview, I will make a telephone call because I have to tell my parents about my interview.
Do you sometimes prefer to send text message rather than making a call?
Yes, as I told you before that I prefer texting over calling. Yes, I do prefer the texting to people. When I have to send any important message to a person who is not picking my call, then at that time I used to send messages.
Vikrant, in the part 2, I'm going to ask you a cue card question. You'll have 1 minute to prepare for it, and you can use the pencil and the diary on the table, and you have to speak for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Describe a time you were sleepy but had to stay awake. When it was, why you had to stay awake, how you kept yourself awake, and explain how you felt about it. Take your time. Please start.
There have been several circumstances and occasions when I had to stay awake. Today, I would like to talk about a particular occasion when I had to stay awake. It was about the project which I was working on. Actually, it was a product which we were developing for a multinational organization, and we had to present a presentation for the client. And like I was working with the team of 4 members, and we all were working in the same project, and I had to prepare and gather the data related to the project. So I collaborated with my teammates, and as my teammates were from different time zones, and it took at least about 5 hours to us to gather all the data. And we used the several resources to gather the data. For instance, we used our we contacted our project manager, and we used the internet resources as well. And after gathering the data, what we did, we divided the task among ourselves. Like everyone was divided into two groups, and all teammates were having their own topics on which they have to prepare the slides. So after everyone prepared their slides, we collaborated together, and I was the person who was leading the project, and I had to collect all the slides from the different teammates, and I had to prepare the presentation. And like it took about more than 7 hours to me at that time when I had to work for the longer hours, and like it was very fatiguing for and tiring for me as well as for the teammates. But with the collaboration of teammates, we finished the work on the time, and we presented our presentation before the client. And I was leading the project, and I was describing every topic, and teammates were very supportive, and they were supporting the project presentation in between. And after that, like client was very happy and impressed with our presentation, and he appreciated our work. And our team has received the several awards and achievement from the company. as well, and it was very delightful and very achievement, a very good achievement for me. And after that, I got the promotion as well. So
Fine, thank you. In the part 3 of the speaking test, I'm going to ask you some follow-up questions.
okay,
Shall we start?
yes.
What are the some advantages of getting proper sleep?
The proper sleep can be helpful in your in two ways. Basically, it can help you to boost your energy, and it can help you to be dedicated and motivational, and keep your concentration level. So, if a person do a proper sleep, he can stay healthy for the longer hours, and he will not feel tiring all the day, and he can uh, be a very successful person in his life, as he can finish the task on the time.
How people in your country keep track of their sleep?
Okay, well, people in my country use the different methods to various ways. Basically, I would say various ways to keep awake. For instance, like they use the digital watch to in order to keep on record of their sleep. Otherwise, like there can be like children basically in my country use the alarm clock as well, and otherwise like their parents also make them wake when they want to awake early in the morning.
How do you keep yourself awake when you are in a meeting?
Okay, well, I prefer to sleep when I have a meeting. I do prefer to take a proper sleep before the meeting, and I prefer to have coffee before meeting, because coffee will boost your like awaking frequency, and you can work for the longer hours. And apart from that, I do the meditation as well, and so that I can keep my concentration during the meeting.
What are the harmful effects of lack of sleep?
There are several harmful effects that I would like to discuss. For instance, like you can be like it can impact your health as well, health along with your eyesights. Apart from that, you can lack the concentration during your work, and you can it will also impact your relationships with the others. If a person doesn't have the full sleep, he can feel asleep during the team meetings, and it can impact the performance of the other individuals in his project or teams.
What sort of things can be done to go to bed early in the night?
Okay, so to go to the bed, like people can do several things. For instance, they can read the book, because if you read a book, there can be like a story which you can read, and you can feel asleep. People can do the meditation, as I told you before, and they can like keep them motivated, and they can have a proper sleep. Apart from that, people can think of the different stories, and they can prepare the ideas and methods in their mind too.
Why do people nowadays stay awake till late?
As technology has changed everything, and most of the youngsters and children prefer to use their gadgets, electronic gadgets, and they use the social media online for the longer hours. So I think that due to the social media and the Western culture, they try to stay awake for the longer hours, and they keep themselves busy with the gadgets and electronic devices.
Thank you, Vikrant. That is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you.